We got a great all going on this boat, dude. This is gonna be sweet. I'm taking a video. Who cares about a picture? Picture's worth 1,000 words. A video's worth 1,000,000. Technically, this is private property, right? Yeah, who cares? Oh, cool. This thing's gonna go on it. Oh, this is gonna be sick. Guys, I gotta get this, you know. We got a great all going on the boat cartoon. Great all thing going on. This is crazy. Cool. Oh, this is gonna be tricky. Good. Don't embarrass yourself. Don't embarrass yourself. Okay, this isn't your night, is it? Oh, this is gonna be funny. Oh, my hand. Oh. Look up my phone. Oh my god, I'm so freezing. I need to bring gloves or I'm gonna film. I think I was filming today. It's Frank, Daddy, it's Frank. It's Frank from the cars. That's Frank. These are great all now. Frank. Look at how glowy it looks. Glowing in the eyes. Oh, we're getting on. Ooh, this is super cool. Get that thing on. Up. On that boat. On that boat. I can't wait to watch this later. And I'm watching it now. This is weird and awesome. I'm glad I'm getting it on camera. Wait, am I gonna get detained for this? Here we go. And in it goes. And that is boat. Big Steamship Part 2. We got